I'm Alex Land, Technical Sales Engineer for the Carfulan Group. We work with Star because obviously they're producing high precision components produced on the sliding head lathes, and our technology ties in perfectly to that manufacturing process. The VICIVISION technology allows operators to be measuring components directly on the shop floor within the cycle time of the component, allowing more checks quicker and easier, more accurately, more repeatably. We're showing the VICIVISION 306 Techno system. Here you can see a part that's been produced on the Star sliding head lathe that's been checked in 45 seconds, various radiuses, diameters, run out, so more complex geometry that inevitably would be difficult to check using manual methods. Utilising the VICIVISION technology enables Star customers to be setting their components quicker. We can have a pre-programmed system which then components can be fast and easily loaded and checked within seconds. So that's going to allow quicker setup times, more regular interval checks, more accurately, more repeatably.